We now journey to the very heart of the Alps, to the awe-inspiring peak of Monte Agnar. Here, a wingsuit becomes more than just gear. It becomes a pair of wings, elevating human flight to its most daring form. Wingsuit flying is among the riskiest and most technically challenging of all extreme sports. In this video, an elite athlete takes on an extraordinary jump from the summit of Monte Agnar, one of the most iconic cliffs in Italy's Dolomite Alps. This mountain is known for its steep drops, tight gorges, and sheer vertical walls, creating both the perfect setting and serious hazards for wingsuit flying. Right after launching from the cliff, the pilot begins a rapid descent along what's known as the technical line, a path that skims just a few meters from the rocky surfaces. Throughout nearly the entire flight, the pilot keeps a dangerously low altitude, expertly navigating at high speeds with razor-sharp precision. Pulling off a flight like this requires intense preparation, physical fitness, and intimate knowledge of the route. On a completely different note, there's another remarkable display of flight that's been melting hearts online. Featured on the YouTube channel, The Dodo, this story follows a dog who not only joins his owner on paragliding trips, but initiates them himself. Every time, the dog eagerly runs to the gear, clearly asking to come along. From the moment the prep begins, he's full of energy and anticipation. As they take off together, the dog stays calm and focused, and it's obvious he's enjoying every second in the sky. His expression mid-air isn't just adorable, it's a powerful reminder that animals, especially those with strong bonds to their humans, can share in thrilling experiences like these. And finally, from Yunnan province in China, comes a story that feels straight out of a superhero movie. A 34-year-old man named Liu Dongsheng made headlines after test flying a homemade jetpack. Inspired by Iron Man and videos of other inventors, Liu designed and built the jetpack himself. A video of his test flight quickly went viral, with viewers dubbing him the Chinese Iron Man. Liu Dongsheng dedicated 2 years of his life and invested over 700,000 yuan into developing his jetpack. The device is powered by 5 micro-turbojet engines, producing a combined output of around 600 horsepower. Despite its power, the entire system, fuel included, weighs only about 23 kilograms. It generates a maximum thrust of 145 kilograms and can stay in the air for roughly 3 to 5 minutes. Theoretically, it could reach altitudes between 100 and 200 meters, but for safety, current tests are limited to just 2 to 3 meters above the ground. To operate the jetpack, you need to be in good physical shape and weigh no more than 85 kilograms. What Liu has achieved is one of the most bold and inventive breakthroughs in personal flight. And yes, it was all captured on video. This isn't CGI or a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's real. In another wild experiment that looks straight out of a dream, a group led by Jay Alvarez launched an actual trampoline into the sky using massive helium balloons. In the video, you see the structure gently rise and float at a controlled altitude, becoming a surreal stage for a one-of-a-kind photo shoot. In the middle is a trampoline, surrounded by soft clouds and natural daylight, as participants perform jumps in an almost weightless environment. To make this possible, the team used over 20 industrial helium balloons, each capable of lifting 8 to 10 kilograms. The total weight of the platform, trampoline, safety equipment, and stabilizing systems was around 150 to 180 kilograms. Guide ropes and evenly distributed ballast kept the platform balanced, while altitude was managed by adjusting the helium volume and releasing ballast from the ground. This wasn't just a viral stunt. It was a striking example of how creativity and engineering can come together to redefine our idea of flight. Meanwhile, engineers at Jetpack Aviation have developed a jetpack that brings personal flight closer to reality for the general public. Known as the JB-10, this compact flying machine can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour and soar to altitudes of 3,000 meters. Unlike many concepts, the JB-10 has already proven itself in successful test flights with a human pilot. It's equipped with 2 high-performance turbojet engines that run on kerosene or diesel. The unit weighs about 74 kilograms and can support a pilot weighing up to 100 kilograms. Depending on conditions and the pilot's weight, it can stay airborne for up to 10 minutes. Flight control is managed through hand-operated nozzles that adjust thrust direction, allowing for surprisingly agile maneuvers. The JB-10 Jetpack is controlled using both hands. The left hand manages direction and maneuvering, while the right hand adjusts the thrust. Thanks to gyroscopic stabilization and balanced weight distribution, the JB-10 is surprisingly easy to fly, even without specialized flight training. Jetpack International has engineered an innovative jet-powered backpack called the Apollo Jetpack. Powered by turbojet engines, it allows a person to take flight. This cutting-edge device can lift a pilot to an altitude of up to 150 meters and reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. It offers a flight time of about 33 seconds and a range of up to 400 meters. The Apollo Jetpack runs on hydrogen peroxide and includes a fuel tank with a 16.3-liter capacity. The entire unit weighs around 56.7 kilograms, and it's designed for pilots weighing up to 81.6 kilograms. Today, it's commonly seen in stunning air shows and live events around the world, demonstrating the power and potential of personal flight. One standout moment was during a Formula One race in Australia, where a pilot launched from a moving truck and flew across the racetrack in front of a live audience. Now, let's take it a step further. What you're seeing next is, without exaggeration, one of the most advanced examples of human flight, without a cockpit or wings. In February 2020, legendary pilot Vince Refit accomplished a groundbreaking feat: a fully autonomous vertical takeoff from the ground using a carbon fiber jetwing powered by 4 turbines. This wasn't a skydive or a launch from a helicopter. It was a true liftoff, just like a plane. Within the first 8 seconds, he had climbed to 100 meters. By 12 seconds, 200 meters. And by the 30-second mark, he soared past 1 kilometer, flying at an average speed of 240 kilometers per hour. The flight lasted about 3 minutes, and at the peak, a breathtaking 1,800 meters, he performed a barrel roll during a turn, then safely deployed a parachute at 1,500 meters and landed right back where he started. Now here's something completely wild, a heart-pounding sport invented by American thrill seekers. Wingsuit rodeo. This daring stunt from the world of skydiving lets one person literally ride another through the air at speeds over 200 kilometers per hour. One athlete wears a wingsuit and flies, while the other, without a wingsuit, holds on, either by grabbing their shoulders or using special handles. Wingsuit rodeo is an adrenaline-filled mix of freefall acrobatics, incredible body control, and absolute trust between the two skydivers. In a wingsuit rodeo, the person wearing the wingsuit is responsible for maintaining flight stability and control, while the rider hangs on and works to keep their balance without disrupting the aerodynamics. Before attempting a stunt like this, athletes go through extensive training, starting with regular jumps and progressing to more complex formations in the air. Equipment is also a major focus. Riders use strong, durable gloves, helmets equipped with cameras like GoPros, and specially designed wingsuits with built-in handles for the rider to grip. Let us know in the comments what part of the video you enjoyed the most. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Next Gen Theories channel. Be sure to check out our previous videos too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.